Hello everyone, welcome to Rome Tech. Today we will be discussing a very specific Excel trick that can be incredibly useful: how to filter cells with bold text. Ever found yourself needing to isolate those specific data points in your spreadsheet that stand out because they're bolded? Maybe they represent key figures, highlighted results, or data that needs special attention. Well, Excel doesn't have a built-in filter function specifically for bold text, but don't worry. We're going to show you two effective workarounds to achieve this. In this video, we'll cover two methods. Asterisk method 1, using a helper column and VBA. We'll create a custom function using VBA to identify bolded cells and then use that function in a helper column for filtering. Asterisk method 2, using find and select with formatting. We'll leverage Excel's find and select feature to locate bolded cells, then color them, and filter by color. So whether you're a seasoned Excel user or just starting out, you'll learn some valuable techniques to enhance your data analysis. Before we dive in, if you enjoy this kind of Excel tips and tricks, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tech for more tutorials like this. It really helps us out. Alright, let's get started. Transition to demonstrating method 1, using a helper column and VBA. Okay, first, let's tackle the VBA method. This involves creating a custom function to identify bold text. Open your Excel sheet. Now, press Alt plus F11 to open the Visual Basic Editor. In the VBA editor, go to Insert and then select Module. Now, paste this code into the module. VBA. Function isBold, cell as range, as Boolean. IsBold equals cell. Font. Bold. End function. Asterisk. Slowly display the code on screen. Explain each line, asterisk. Okay, let's break down this code quickly. Function isBold, cell as range, as Boolean defines a new function called isBold that takes a cell as input and returns either true or false. IsBold equals cell. Font. Bold checks if the font of the given cell is bold. If it is, it returns true, otherwise, it returns false. Now, close the VBA editor and return to your Excel sheet. Next, we'll create a helper column. Let's say your data is in column A. Create a new column, say column B. In the first cell of the helper column B1, enter the formula equals isBold, A1. Drag this formula down to apply it to all the rows in your data. You'll see true next to bolded cells and false next to non-bolded cells. Now, select your entire data range including the header and the helper column. Go to the Data tab and click on Filter. Click the Filter drop-down in the helper column, column B, and select True. Voila! You've now filtered your data to show only the rows where the corresponding cell in column A has bold text. Transition to demonstrating method 2, using find and select with formatting. Alright, let's move on to the second method, using find and select with formatting. This method avoids VBA, which might be preferable for some users. First, select the range of cells you want to search. Go to the Home tab. In the Editing group, click Find and select and choose Find. In the Find dialog box, don't enter anything in the Find What field. Instead, click the Format button. In the Find Format dialog box, go to the Font tab and select Bold in the Font Style dropdown. Click OK. Back in the Find dialog box, click Find All. This will list all cells with bold text in the selected range at the bottom of the dialog box. Demonstrate highlighting all the found cells. Now select all the found cells in the list by clicking the first entry, holding Shift, and clicking the last entry. This will highlight all the bolded cells in your spreadsheet. Demonstrate filling the highlighted cells with color. With the bolded cell selected, go to the Home tab, and in the Font group, use the Fill Color drop-down to apply a color, e.g. yellow, to the selected cells. Now, select the entire data range including the header. Go to the Data tab and click on Filter. Click the Filter drop-down in the column containing the colored cells. Choose Filter by color and select the color you chose earlier, e.g. yellow. And there you have it. You've now filtered your data to show only the rows with bold text using the Find and Select method. Concluding remarks. So there you have it. Two different methods for filtering cells with bold text in Excel. The VBA method is more dynamic, but requires a bit of code. The Find and Select method is easier to set up but requires manually coloring the cells. Choose whichever method works best for your situation and comfort level. Remember, Excel is all about finding the right tool for the job. Experiment with these techniques and adapt them to your specific needs. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give this video a like and subscribe to RoamTech for more Excel tips and tricks. Let us know in the comments which method you prefer or if you have any other Excel challenges you'd like us to tackle. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.